Hello viewers, welcome to Khalajan's Kitchen. I'm Farhanda and today I'm making Aloo Gobi, which has been requested by one of my son's friends. Aloo is potatoes and gobi is cauliflower. I have taken a small head of cauliflower and cut into small pieces which weigh about 120 grams. I've taken 2 medium potatoes and cut them into bite-sized pieces, 1 medium onion chopped finely, 1/4 cup cooking oil, 4 tablespoons tomato puree, half a teaspoon garam masala, 1 green chilli sliced, 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh coriander, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, juice of half a lime or you can use lemon juice, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, half a teaspoon turmeric powder and half a teaspoon red chili powder. You can adjust the amount of chili powder and the salt according to your taste. I put a pan on medium-high heat and added the oil. It has taken 1 minute for the oil to heat up and now I'm going to add the cumin seeds. I will fry the cumin seeds for a few seconds and then I will add the chopped onions. I have been cooking the onions for about 4 minutes now and they have started to change color. Now I will add the ginger and the garlic paste. I will saute the onions with the ginger and the garlic paste for a few minutes and then I will add the tomato puree and all the spices. I will cook this masala for about a minute now until it releases its oil and then I will add the potatoes. I will not add the cauliflower at this time as the potatoes and the cauliflower, they both have separate cooking times and by the time the potatoes are done, the cauliflower would have become mushy. I'm going to cook the potatoes for about half a minute and then I'll add 1/4 cup of water. Now I will cover the pot and let the potatoes cook until they are half done. It has taken 8 minutes for the potatoes to come to this stage and the water has also evaporated. During those 8 minutes, I had been checking intermittently so the potatoes don't burn. And now I will add the cauliflower. I will mix the cauliflower with the masala and the potatoes and cook it for about 2 minutes and then I will add 1/3 cup of water. At this time, I will lower the heat from medium high to medium low. Cover the pot and cook until potatoes and the cauliflower is done. It has taken 10 minutes for the cauliflower and the potatoes to become tender. In those 10 minutes, I checked the potatoes and the cauliflower at least 3 times and stirred it so that they don't burn. Now I will add the rest of the ingredients, the lime juice, garam masala, chopped green chilies, and half of the chopped fresh coriander. I'm going to mix it well and let it cook for about another minute and our aloo gobi is done and ready to serve. I will use rest of the fresh coriander for garnishing. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Enjoy.